50 years ago, Walt Disney created a motion picture masterpiece that would become one of the greatest films of all time, and brought to life a little hero who charmed audiences all over the world.
Good piece of wood, too.
And now that timeless classic is coming to home video. Walt Disney's one and only Pinocchio. Pinocchio, the story of the wooden puppet who wanted to become a real boy.
I'm going to school.
That's the stuff, Pinocchio.
And set off on a fantastic adventure with a very special friend.
Cricket's the name.
Jiminy Cricket.
Hi-diddly-dee, a night is life for me.
Pinocchio.
What's happened?
It's thrilled generations of audiences with its spectacular animation. Its memorable moments. And its unforgettable music.
When you wish upon a star,
It's a breathtaking movie experience.
you are a real boy.
And you're invited to share the magic with your family.
I think it's swell.
It's Walt Disney's classic, Pinocchio, for anyone who's ever wished upon a star.